Welcome to another 1 Minute Wednesday, where we try our best to cover one of Desk Director's many features in about a minute. I'm Patrice Clark, and in this video, we'll take a look at how easy it is to build your own custom task lists right inside either the admin or tech portals. I'll be joined by Ryan Kendrick, who'll guide you through the details. Let's get started. Over to you, Ryan.
Thank you, Patrice. Hi, I'm Ryan. Thanks for joining me. Let's dive straight in. Open task lists from the left-hand navigation menu, then click New Template to get started. Give the template a name, choose whether it can be viewed by both end users and agents, or by agents only, add a tag if needed, then click Create. Next, select Create Task Instructions to open the task list editor and start building your checklist. From the editor, you can add, remove, and reorder tasks, then preview individual instructions or the entire list. Start by entering a title for your task. You can also add an optional description, which supports Markdown, extended syntax, and links to YouTube, Vimeo, and MP4 videos. Use the Preview tab to check that your description looks as intended, including any formatting, links, or media you've added. Continue adding tasks as needed. You can include up to 25 tasks in a single list and easily reorder them using the up and down arrows. When you're finished, click Save. That's it, all done.
That's all for today's 1 Minute Wednesday. With the task list editor, you can quickly create customized checklists that help your technicians follow consistent processes and complete tasks efficiently. Thanks for watching.